sides together, we're going to put the wrong sides together. So it's a little bit opposite, and generally you would use a French seam for sheer fabric and just take a couple of pins to hold it in place, and then you're going to sew right alongside your presser foot, which is 1/4 of an inch. So line up your sewing machine with the presser foot. And I need the foot control, sorry, didn't plug that in. And make sure your cord is off to the side. Sew a few stitches, about 3 stitches, and back stitch. Make sure you're back stitching all the way off your fabric, and then just go ahead and sew down. Take your pins out before you get to them and pin perpendicular. And then you're going to back stitch. And then you're going to go to the ironing board. And press your sample to one side, or press your seam to one side. Press the seam to one side, and you want to kind of pull on it so that it gets real, that it's kind of, you want this crisp, and then press it down. And the secret to it is you want to be able to hide that 1/4 of an inch seam inside of your other seam. So then you're going to sew 3/8 of an inch. So 1/4 of an inch and 3/8 is what? You're going to line it up at 3/8 of an inch. So what's 1/4 and 3/8? 5/8. And a normal seam allowance is 5/8. You're going to sew a few stitches. You're going to back stitch. And this is generally for any sheer fabric that you want the seam hidden. But if you just want it to do a pretty seam where that you're hiding the seam, and see, you won't see that 1/4 of an inch. So now this is the wrong side of your fabric, and it's done. Okay.